Hey friends, Mike here. I've got a Lightroom Classic quick tip for you. I'm going to teach you how to copy your removes to get rid of dust spots on your other photos. If you have a sequence of photos taken from the same day and the dust spots remain the same, then you should be able to take all those removes, and paste them across all the photos that you have, and then all those dust spots will be gone, saving you tons of work, right? Okay, so how do I start? Well, hit Q to open up the remove tool. I said hit Q. There we go. So I'm going to click, make sure you have generative AI turned off. And you can also, let's see, I got one up there. So you see that circle, that one right there? I'll show you something cool. You can visualize spots. And so dust spots will look like, it'll look like this little rain circle like you find on your car. Kind of looks like that. Some of them. Come down, visualize spots. There's another one right there. Okay, cool. I've cleaned it up enough. And if I'm going to hit enter, not if, and then I'm going to hit enter again, and so that gets rid of the tool. Now, what you do is you come on over, and you left click and select, and you will select all the photos that you wanted to get the dust spots removed from. Come over, hit sync, and there's a remove. Make sure that's checked. Hit synchronize, and it's going to go through every single picture, and it's going to drop all the same settings. So after it's done the remove, you can go to the next photo. You can see that it's not there, and then I can tweak this as normal as I would any other picture. So there you go. There's a way that you can copy your dust, get rid of your dust spots across all of your images from the same day or the same week or same whatever. If you have the same dust spots, then it'll get rid of them for you. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for dealing with me. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.